Everybody, let me show you what I got going on today. Let's take a look. Got this little Dell desktop, and customer purchased a new computer, which is this one up here. Clone, generic i7. And basically he wants to, this one has a regular hard drive in it, regular terabyte drive, as you can see there. Where'd it go? The other one has a M.2 SSD. So what he wants to do, I guess he's got this one already all with programs and all set up. So what we're gonna do is clone this drive over to the M.2. So there's a bunch of different ways to do it, and I'm going to tell you how I'm going to handle this one in this scenario here. First thing I did, or I recommend, is make sure that your hard drive is good, the one on this one here. That way you don't get a crash in the middle or anything like that, or a problem. So we did check the hard drive was good, and the next thing I will tell you is run a check disk, make sure that all the sectors are good to go. What I'm going to run on here is Acronis. And I'm not going to do a clone. With Acronis, I'm going to make an image, put it on a separate drive, and then I'm going to restore the image to the new drive. A little bit safer, takes way longer, but also here, because we got a terabyte going into 500 gigs, just I think a little safer way to do it. Takes longer, but a little safer. So I'm going to go that route. I don't have to take either drive out because I'm going to boot from the USB to do that, so I don't got to do any physical removal, and that's the way it should go. And I'll update and let you know how everything goes. That's what's happening right here, right now, at PC 911.